Hello, we are the Dinner Ladies.
And today we are going to be making the ultimate roast chicken.
Chicken is super versatile. You can do anything with it. Once you've roasted it and gone through all the hard part of roasting it, you can use it for lots of different things. What can we use it for, Boo? Go for it.
Chicken wrap.
Chicken and...
rice.
Chicken and...
chips.
Chicken and...
pesto and pasta.
Oh, that's a good one. People don't know how easy it is to cook a roast chicken. It's super, super simple. It's probably one of the easiest things you can do. It's one of the first things I actually taught Steph how to do, isn't it?
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Oh, God. You now do the best roast chicken.
Thanks.
I get excited. You actually cook a chicken better than I do now.
Actually, but you didn't tell me. My mum told me. But let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking!
Cheers!
Cheers!
You will need
Lemon,
olive oil,
onion,
some garlic,
salt.
and last but not least, a beautiful organic chicken.
It's not organic, it's free range.
Oh, damn it.
So when you are buying a chicken, please do try and buy as best as you possibly can. The chicken that we have gone for is a Packington chicken, and it's from Hinton's, our local butcher. You can see that it's got really good skin, good fat content.
Yeah.
You can actually see the fat here. In France, they have super long legs, and they will spend as much on a chicken as they would on a piece of beef. And I think that's really what we should be trying to do.
Why they taste so
They actually
yummy.
taste the chicken, don't they? Yeah.
So you've probably noticed we still haven't painted the kitchen, but if we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will promise to paint our kitchen. So please do, if you like our channel, do like and subscribe.
First things first, preheat your oven to 180 degrees, fan assisted.
First of all, what we need to do is stuff the chicken to make it extra flavy. Flavy? Flavy. Flavoursome. Get an onion.
That's quite a big onion, isn't it?
It's a big onion.
You
so
definitely don't need to use the whole onion.
No, so I'd probably quarter it.
Well, no, why are you using the big half?
I mean, they're pretty much the same.
That is not the same.
It's the same.
Pretty much the same.
Back off. So we've got a quarter of an onion that we're going to put into the chicken. What we're also going to do is put a bit of a lemon in it. Because this is quite a big lemon as well. I'm going to do this.
I would have cut it the other way.
And then I'm going to do this.
Your lemon.
So I can put both bits of lemon in. Right, let's get the chicken.
That's not going to fit in like that, is it?
Well, we'll see.
Are you getting a bit stressed with me today, babe?
Do you want to do it?
No thanks.
Our chicken was kind of tucked in.
Trust up. Yeah?
What?
That's the expression.
With the chicken, it needs to be room temperature before it goes into the oven. So just get it out before you kind of prep all the stuff. And once you've opened up the chicken, we're going to put our little bits in.
It doesn't matter if you have the skin on though, does it?
No, you actually don't want to fill it too full because you want the air inside to flow round. Okay, I'm going to do 2 halves.
Garlic clove?
Yep. Get a couple of garlic cloves, pop it in as well. Now there's lots of good things in there which will help make it taste really delicious. Get a bit of a kitchen roll and just dab any kind of moisture that's on the chicken. It's best to kind of get the chicken really dry on the skin. So when we do oil it and put salt on in the oven, it will become really crispy. Right. We need oil. So once you've oiled all of the chicken, we then put the salt on. Probably use about 2 teaspoons worth. You kind of use more salt than you actually think. And the reason why we put salt on the chicken is to make it really crispy and really delicious. And I promise, you might think it's a lot of salt, but it will be delicious at the end result. Right, Eleanor, I need you.
Okay.
Can you just pick up the chicken so I can put some salt in? Can you open it up there?
Okay.
Put some in there.
It's not really a two-man job.
It's
though,
not a
is it?
2-man job, but
Look how relaxed he is.
very relaxed.
That's a well-bred chicken, that.
Eleanor likes to put it on a rack. You can put it on a rack, but you don't need to put it
Excuse
on a
me?
rack. Just a smidge.
What does that do?
Well, it means it just won't stick.
Yeah, if you had it on a rack, it wouldn't stick.
Yeah, but you don't need a rack. You just put a teeny bit of oil.
This is an example of why you do need a rack.
Oh my gosh, shush. Look at that, perfect. It fits perfectly in that.
Well, I don't think so, because look,
No,
you're touching it there.
it's fine.
The parson's nose is touching.
What's the parson's nose?
The bottom.
Anna loves to eat the ass.
It is the tenderest, most delicious part of the chicken, the parson's nose. I love it. This is the parson's nose, and it's really tasty, and there's a bone that goes down the middle, really delicious tender meat either side. It's probably my favourite part, followed by the wings. You don't like the wings, do you?
I like leg and breast.
Do you? Mm-hmm. I love the wings.
And ass. Right, let's get this in the oven. Make sure you're going to put your chicken in the centre of the oven. Right. Just keep an eye on it. I reckon that will take an hour and 50 minutes.
That's bigger than normal, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how long does it take?
I would normally cook a chicken probably about an hour and 30 minutes, an hour and 40, but I'm giving it an extra bit.
So you just had an hour and 15, didn't you?
Yeah, I've added a bit.
So how long is this one going to take?
An hour and 50.
Oh, I thought you said 15.
No!
Right.
Our alarm has just gone off, so we're going to get the chicken out the oven. Oof! Looks good. Ooh, look at all those juices. So we need to test whether the chicken is actually cooked. So we get a fork, we pierce it in its fattiest place, about here. I think all the juices have run out. It's absolutely fine. You give the leg a wiggle as well. I think this is done. Juices are running clear. Another place to test is here. The juices, you see how they're kind of running clear? No blood. There's a lot of juices down here. And another thing, if you've got like a probe, a long metal probe, put it in like the middle of the chicken and you can test to see whether it's hot or not, and it should be hot. I think for an hour and 50 it's pretty good for this large chicken, but for kind of a medium chicken you'd probably go for an hour and a half, hour 20, hour and a half. Right. There's a lot of juices that have come out. Right, I'm going to pop it there. You see how there's lots of juices here? What we would tend to do, especially if we were having a roast, is make a gravy out of all these juices.
I really want to do gravy. Can you let us know if you want to know how to make a gravy from the beginning? Because I would be able to make an excellent one from this. Do you hear that? That's when you know it's super, super sharp. Sharp knife. This has been left for 10 minutes just to stand, and you can actually still see the steam coming from it. It's all very good and perfect to chop now.
Right, I'm going to try it with a little bit of skin on. Oh, looks good skin. Right, that's really good. You know how sometimes chicken doesn't taste of chicken? Actually tastes of chicken.
And it's just falling apart.
Oh no, you're going to eat your bum.
Yeah, I love the parson's nose. See this? Absolutely delicious. It's like the tastiest meat. Absolutely amazing.
Full of flavour. Full of bum flavour.
No, it's just delicious. The real treat whenever I'm carving it. But when my mum's here, I let her have it.
What's going on here?
They're just a little vertebrae. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, if we get 1,000 subscribers, we'll paint this kitchen. This is so good.
Thank goodness.
Absolutely love it. Cook a chicken, definitely worth doing.